Believe it or not, I also suffer from a lot of hair loss. And I will be so transparent here, and I am very transparent here. I take all the supplement that needed for my hair, but the hair loss I just cannot control. And I really think it's the water. And I hope that someone can also give me an advice if there's anything that I can change in regards to, or maybe something to stop the hair loss, because a lot of people ask me, Jenny, what is your secret or what is your tips to have thick hair? I already have thick hair, okay? This is from genetic, and I take supplement to maintain my healthy hair. But the hair loss is crazy, really crazy. And also, not just me, also to the people that really need help in regards to hair loss. Maybe anyone that is, expert about hair, you can help us in regards to hair loss. That would be great. Thank you.